Our life commodity.
Driver Squad, what's going on? YouTube, what's going on? How y'all doing? If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video, because it's about to go crazy. I'm about to go crazy. We about to go crazy. I'm about to go to Atlanta. I'm about to go visit my dad. Also, if you enjoyed that little beat, that music, that 15-second in the intro, go check out that. Go check out the Fuel Music. Go check out that full production of music. That 15 seconds that you heard in the intro, my dad, he made that beat. Him and another person, they partnered on that beat. If y'all like that, click that link in that I about to say click that link in my bio, but click that description. The link gonna be in my description, what I'm talking about. Let me go to what we need to be talking about, these shoes. Now, over the past 3 weeks, as you can tell, I'm about to branch out and be a reseller. But in order to do that, you gotta buy some kicks. So I've been having some kicks and I've been waiting for them to come in. So as you can tell, I got the threes, the international threes. They very beautiful and I've been waiting to get them. It's already starting to get hot out here. That's crazy. But let's check out these bad boys. Very beautiful, as you can tell. Very beautiful. Now, I've been checking StockX and I've been checking Goat Out. He's only been going for about 150. Very disappointed, but I can't be too mad. Because if it go into resale, I think I'm just gonna keep them and just wear them for myself. And that's what really I'm looking at, just wearing for myself. But I'm also gonna take these to the storage. I was gonna do a review on these, but no hype in them, so there's no point. And I know I don't have enough time to do a video. And I only got time to sit down and unbox the video. So I hope y'all enjoying it. Don't forget to like. I'm gonna be saying that a lot, so get ready for that. Cause I'm gonna need y'all to like this video. Show some support. As you can tell, I comment on everything. I like everything. So thank you to everybody that's been commenting on the videos or whatnot. But anyway, as you can tell, I got the Yeezy Utility Black 500s. Now this is my first Yeezy. It's real nice to have something exclusive, as we call it in Arkansas. Exclusive. I don't know if I want to keep these or I'm gonna sell them. But for the most part, I think since this is gonna be my first Yeezy, I'm gonna keep them. These two shoes, I might keep them, but I'm also gonna put them in storage and I'm gonna go and take some pictures just in case if I change my mind. I really haven't made my mind up of what I really want to do. I haven't even tried on the shoe yet. I want to try on the shoe, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna go and take the pictures and leave it at that. And don't even worry about it. This was gonna be a very short video, but I ain't even gonna cut y'all like that. We're gonna go ahead into the storage, so we're gonna go to the next scene. Taking my, this is all temporary. I'm gonna change this up a little bit so my shoes won't be sitting in boxes no more. But we're gonna drop these right here. They safe, they out the room. I can't put my product where I lay my head at. That's another tip. I'm gonna keep telling y'all that tip. Never put y'all supply where y'all lay y'all head at. But anyway, let me know if y'all enjoyed that 15-second of my intro, because my daddy surprised me. He let me know that he make beats, so I was like, okay, you know I'm gonna support you all the way through, right? He was like, for sure, bet that up. So anyway, I will be including most of his beats on Chaseway, so if y'all want to go listen to that. All right, the product is safe, so we better go head out and see my three little rascals. I'm gonna go check them out because it's only right when I come back home.
Chase, mate!
Wonderful.
Chase, mate!
Hey!
Chase, mate! Chase, mate!
You smell good, Napoleon.
I'm gonna rub them out. Come on, Napoleon. Let me let you out.
Right, get out, Napoleon.
Come on. So you gonna kick them out like that?
Just slob on me. We don't want him to slob on you.
So you protecting me? So you protecting me?
Jason,
What's up?
what you was doing by yourself?
What you doing by yourself?
You doing no work today?
Huh?
No work?
No work? Nope, no work today.
But
I'm free.
It's Saturday.
Yep, I'm out. What you watching over there?
I'm about to go use the restroom. I can feel it.
What you watching?
Don't trip. Don't trip.
That's yours?
Teddy buddy.
Who is this?
Teddy buddy.
Who?
Teddy buddy.
No, I don't want smoke. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke.
Chase.
Yeah.
No.
That's what you watching over there on YouTube?
How did you know that's YouTube? Cause you watch your videos.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
So this yours? Or this y'all's?
Nah, it's not.
Let me see your Play-Doh.
It's honest.
Whoa. What color is that?
White.
Let me see.
It's not super. What is for me?
Can you make me some chicken?
We don't. Let's make a chicken with the fry.
Can you make me some chicken?
Yeah, let's make chicken.
I'm hungry. She gonna make me some chicken. Is that okay?
We gonna make chicken.
That was lip gloss.
Can we make chicken for Play-Doh? Yep. Almost done.
It's almost done.
Yep. We just started.
Uh-oh, it's done. Let me get some.
Na, 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 na,
Uh-oh. God made dirt. Dirt don't hurt.
Let me cook some French
Oh, it's so
fries.
good. Go cook me some French fries, huh? There you go. Go cook me some French fries.
I need to do some French fries. Cheese.
You supposed to be over there cooking.
Okay.
I'm hungry. Maybe some French fries, Landon. Landon in the kitchen.
Hey, I'm in the kitchen.
Landon in the kitchen. Landon in the kitchen. Landon in the kitchen.
It's ready. Let me cook something. I'm about to get some hot
You tried it before, huh? You tried it before. You nasty. You have to cook up.
So what? I
Okay.
love this.
You gotta get some more dough, flatten it out. Okay,
You want
okay.
to come see some West Winds?
Hold
You want
on.
to come see West Winds?
Chef Lauren in the building.
You want to come see West Winds?
You gonna hold on, Lauren. Hold on, Lizzie. She gonna give it to you so you can cook it, okay? I think that's good. Chef Lauren. Give it to Lindsay so she can put it in there so she can cook it. No, you gotta have teamwork. You gotta teamwork. Give it to your sister. That's what makes a great chef. Teamwork. Give it to her. Give it Well, give it to hold on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay. You gonna make your own pizza? Make me some pizza. I know you can make me some pizza. Okay, it's cooking. How long you cooking it for?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Let's go here.
Uh-oh.
I'll give it back to me. How about this? Who can see my West Wind back tonight?
How long you cooking it for?
Who can see West Wind tonight?
That was a hot second. Which one? Let me taste this pizza. What you do to this pizza? Taste this. This is nasty. This is nasty. I just made it to the airport. I'm gonna end this vlog unboxing. I'm just gonna end it right here. I'm gonna start up another one though. So I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.